So hello everyone, welcome to the second edition of the um, production of study maps using the select features. So here we are from our last video. So we said we are going to show you on how to put them and embellish them properly. So all we have to do is to go to our layout view here. Okay, so we are going to be using we are going to change the page setup here to landscape. Okay, so that we are going to see appropriately all our maps in the appropriate layers. So what we are going to be having is three sets of maps. One is for Nigeria, and one is for the state, and one is for the local government, which is the exact um, place of interest. So you can see what I just did now. So all you have to do is to zoom to layer, because we are working on ADM1 here on this layer. So I'm going to be adding the I'm going to show you how to add the data frame. Okay, data frame for each of the map elements that we want to depict or we want to illustrate here in this video. So here in this data frame we have the Nigeria, and in the next data frame we are going to be having the states. So just watch how I'm doing it. So all you have to go to insert and go to data frame. So here you are going to have another data frame popping up. Okay, so we can just decide to make this one little. Okay, and make this one a little bit bold, bigger rather. So what we want this data frame to be is the state. So all we are going to do is to drag the state here and drag it into the data frame. So you can see it's showing up already, which is Imo State. Alright, and in this Imo State, remember we have local government in it, so we are going to drag the local government inside of it as well. So now we have Imo State and the local government, but remember we still have our exact local governments of interest out of other local governments. So all you have to do is to drag in the particular local government of interest that we've extracted in our previous video. Please, if you are just joining us, please refer to our previous video on how we extracted this set of maps out of the shapefiles. So we are going to drag this inside of it, which is the way west. So we are just going to make this a particular color. So we are going to be using red. Okay, sorry, let's make the outline black, then the fill color red. All right, then we are going to make that hollow. Okay, there are no fill color in that, so no color. I'm going to give it no color. So all we want to make bold or fill is the Imo State. Alright, so and this is what I want to achieve. So here is Owerri West. Remember, you can choose to label it by just right clicking on it. Please refer back to our videos on how we came about what to label and how to label it, so that you will not be confused at any point in time. So that is Owerri West, and here as well in this, each frame you want to work on, you must make sure you click on it. Okay, if you want to work on this frame, you click on it. If you are done working with this frame and you want to work on this frame, make sure you click on it. So we are working with this frame. So all we have to do now, we want to make Imo State red so that we can tell our clients that this particular portion here is Imo State. So all you have to do is to go to Imo State and make it red in this particular layer. So you can see it is red with the local government inside of it. So, and the last frame we are going to be adding is for the Owerri West, which is our main point of interest. So make sure you just go to data frame. Alright, so we just have to drag that here and increase it so that we are going to have it bold, because that is the point of interest. So all we have to do is to drag over the West from here to the data frame. So there we are. So here we are. So all you have to do now is just to start embellishing your map. Just embellishing your map. Please refer back to our video on how to add elements into maps. Okay, the grid, the north arrow, the legend, and etc. There's the rest of them. Refer back to our video on map embellishment. So another important thing I will be showing us is just to add the arrows. Okay, we are going to be adding the arrows. Make sure that your map is well embellished. Okay, we are going to be adding the arrow so that we are going to tell our clients, or if it's for a practical purpose, our lecturers, that the map is going from one particular frame to another. So how to do that is just to go to draw. If you don't have this draw tools activated, you can just go to customize. Okay, navigate to toolbars and activate the draw tools here. So the moment you activate it, okay, I just deactivated that, so I'm going to activate it again. Just click on it, it's going to bring up this option. So you just come to this particular option here. Alright, then you click on line. So it's going to give you an advantage on how to draw the line. So you just drag it down here, then you click on it. So double clicking on it simply means okay. Then you can still double click to change the kind of symbol for it. So we are going to be using an arrow, so you just navigate down, then choose this, an arrow, and you can decide to increase it to 2 to be bold, and okay. So see here, we want it to be going down, so all you have to do, we are going to delete that and redraw it again. Okay, so just drag it down here, then you click on it. So here, double click the same way, and you choose the appropriate arrow. Okay, arrow at end, arrow to start. Okay, and okay, then make it bold, and okay. So that is it. Then you can see that it's coming from Nigeria to Imo State, from Imo State then to the local government of interest. So you are still going to draw an arrow going from Imo State to local government of interest. Double click on it and still change the symbol to be an arrow. Okay, so just have to go down, just click on this, click on OK, then you can make it to apply. Okay, so here we are moving from Nigeria, the state, to the local government. So please do refer back to our video on map embellishment on how to add the grids and the legend, the north arrow, and the rest of the mapping elements. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share the video if it's of a great help, and as well as share and subscribe. Hit on the subscribe icon on the channel to encourage us to do more and to provide more content that will be of help to you and to your colleagues. Thank you for watching. See you next time.